Ever wondered how long it really takes to replace your roof in Fort Worth, Texas? Here's the real story. Most residential roof replacements take just 1 to 3 days once the crew is on site. But as any local knows, Texas weather can throw a wrench in the works. That's why at First Texas Roofing LLC, we plan every project with local know-how and a focus on quality, not just speed. We're not a big, pushy company. Our small company culture means you get personal attention, honest answers, and zero sales pressure. Our crews are comprised of elite installers, individuals who know roofs inside and out. We use only top-notch products from Owens Corning and CertainTeed, so your new roof is built to last. If you're dealing with an insurance claim, don't worry. We're homeowner insurance experts, and we'll help you navigate the paperwork and work with your adjuster so you get the coverage you deserve. From the initial inspection to the final cleanup, we keep you informed and ensure your project proceeds smoothly. Want a stress-free roof replacement in Tarrant County, Texas? Contact First Texas Roofing LLC to receive your complimentary estimate. We'll get you back to enjoying your home fast.